Okay, this is the Tesla nose version, version 10.2, 2020.12.6. So opening up the firmware release notes. The title is, there's mainly just one new feature, traffic light and stop sign control, and it mentions it's in beta. The dash cam viewer was in the previous release, 12.5. So this version says traffic light and stop sign control is designed to recognize and respond to traffic lights and stop signs, slowing your car to a stop when using traffic aware cruise control or auto steer. This feature will slow the car for all detected traffic lights, including green, blinking yellow, and off lights. As your car approaches an intersection, your car will indicate the intention to slow down via a notification, slow down, and stop at the red light shown on the driving visualization. To continue through the stop sign, push down the gear selector once or briefly press the accelerator pedal to confirm that it is safe to proceed. As with all autopilot features, you must continue to pay attention and be ready to take immediate action, including braking, because this feature may not stop for all traffic controls. This feature will be conservative, slow down often at first, and will not attempt to turn through intersections. Over time, as we learn from the fleet, the feature will control to enable, shift your car into park, then tap controls, autopilot, traffic light, stop sign control. Note, when this feature is enabled, the maximum set speed while using auto steer is limited to the speed limit of the road. Before this feature can be enabled, camera calibration may be required, and the latest version of Navigator Maps must be downloaded via Wi-Fi. Farther down here, you can see there's more information about the dash cam viewer that we've already seen in previous update 12.5. So nothing else that's new in this version. So as you can see here, it's taking a stop for a stop sign. And again, it won't do anything once you get to the stop sign. You've got to either press the accelerator or tap the autopilot cruise stalk on the right for it to proceed. And then it also does not steer once you make your turn. It won't steer onto the next. It will steer straight if your intended destination is straight ahead. So once again, one more stop sign. Does a very good job at stopping. I have noticed that it stops a little bit before the stop line that's painted on the road, which can be somewhat of a nuisance. First starts notifying you for stop lights about 600 feet from the stoplight, and you have until 400 feet before the stoplight to either press the autopilot stalk on the right or tap on the accelerator. If you do neither, then it will start slowing down around 300 feet from the stoplight. Once you acknowledge that light, the car will stop if the light turns red after you've acknowledged it. this is one step closer to full self-driving. I'm sure excited, as I'm sure you are, to see Tesla's progress on all of this. Hopefully they get rid of all the nags between traffic lights soon, once they've verified that it's safe.